So most people are taught how to make money, but very few are taught how to position it, how to protect it, how to put it to work for you, and how to pass it on. This is why I teach what we call the Four Tenets of Wealth. These are 4 principles that every family should understand. The first one, put your money in the proper tax position. Now, it's not only about how much you make or how much you earn, it's also about how your income, your assets, and your financial structure are actually positioned. Very key. Number 2, protect your money. Protect your money is number 2. Now, this includes understanding risk, ownership, insurance, legal structures, and how exposed your money actually is. Yeah. Now, this is key. Building without protecting is like constructing a home, a house, and leaving all the doors unlocked and open. Number 3, putting your money to work. Your money wants to go out and make friends and bring them home. At least that's what you want your money to do. Your goal should not be to work for every dollar for the rest of your life. At some point, the resources that you earn should begin producing, growing, or creating additional opportunities. Very key again. And then number 4, finally, is passing your money and your wisdom to the next generation. A true legacy is not only leaving assets, it's also leaving knowledge, structure, values, and instructions. Very key. So here in the spiritual world, financial prosperity is not separated from your spiritual responsibility. Very key. We're not building wealth just to accumulate more. We're building so that we can serve, we can give, we can protect our families, and we can leave a godly legacy. Very key. Income can support your lifestyle. Of course it can. But structure helps build a legacy. So wealth is not only what you earn, it is what you position, it is what you protect, it is what you pass on, and it is what you put to work for you. I set it out of order, but you got the things. So which of these 4 areas actually need your attention, like right now? Let me say it in the right order. Number 1 is tax position. Number 2, protection. Number 3, growth. Letting it go out and make friends. Let it put that money to work for you. Number 4, transfer, passing it on. Comment one of the numbers below. And until then, remember, nothing happens by accident. And all things are working together for you in divine order.